Jessica, you're here. I was getting worried.
Oh, so sorry. My meeting ran longer than expected.
You got me worried there. You usually text if you're running late.
Yeah, I apologize for that. My phone died and I didn't have my charger with me.
Ah, that makes sense. Well, I'm just glad you're okay.
Thanks for checking on me.
For a minute, I thought something had happened to you.
I appreciate the concern, Nick. Next time, I'll make sure to charge my phone or at least inform you in advance.
That would be great. Communication is key, especially if plans change.
I promise I'll be more considerate in the future.
No worries. We all have those days. So, what's the plan for tonight?
How about we grab some dinner and then catch a movie?
Sounds like a plan.
Hey, are you ready for the party tonight? Almost. I just need to decide what to wear. Same here. It's a big event tonight. Yeah, I heard a lot of people will be there. I really want to look nice. Me too. I don't want to feel underdressed. I get that. I'm thinking of wearing a black dress. Oh, that sounds nice. Black always looks elegant, Lisa. Exactly, and it's easy to match with accessories. True. I want something more bold this time. Oh, what are you thinking? I think I'll wear a red dress. It feels confident. Red will definitely stand out, but it suits you, Emily. Thanks. I just hope it's not too much. Don't worry, confidence makes it work. That helps. Now I'm thinking about accessories. Keep them simple. Silver jewelry would be perfect. Good idea. I have a silver necklace I really like. That sounds great. You'll look stunning, Emily. Thanks, Lisa. What about your makeup? I'll go for a natural look, just light makeup and soft colors. That fits you well. Simple but classy. I hope so. I want to feel comfortable tonight. Same here. Feeling good is important. Absolutely. Let's enjoy the night. Yes, let's have a fantastic time at the party.
Hey, have you noticed how faded our window curtains look?
Yeah, they really look old now.
They've definitely seen better days.
What are you thinking?
I think it's time for a change. Maybe we should buy new window curtains.
That sounds like a great idea. It would really freshen up the room.
Exactly. I'm thinking of getting a light pastel color. That would brighten up the living room.
Pastel colors always feel calm. Nice thought.
Maybe something with a little pattern.
I was actually thinking about plain curtains. They give a clean and minimal look.
That makes sense. Simple can look very nice too.
So where should we shop for them? Any place in mind?
There's a home decor store downtown. I heard they have a great selection.
Oh, I know that place. How about going this weekend?
Perfect. That works for me.
Let's make the living room feel new again, just with a small change.
Agreed, Lisa. A small change can make a big difference in the feeling of our home. Hey, Chris, you seem quiet today. Is everything okay at work?
Yeah, Emma, I realized I haven't been very patient lately.
What do you mean? Did something happen?
I get frustrated easily, and sometimes I react too fast.
That's honest of you to notice. Work pressure can affect anyone.
I think I need to change my behavior, not just my skills, but my attitude.
That's an important step, Chris. Attitude really shapes how others see us.
You're right. I don't want to bring negative energy to the team.
Maybe start with small things. Listen more and react less.
That makes sense. I should slow down and think before I speak.
Exactly. Professional behavior is also about self-control.
I'm learning that now. Growth doesn't always feel comfortable.
True, but adjusting your attitude shows maturity.
Thanks, Emma. I'll work on being more calm and respectful.
I'm sure you will. A better attitude always leads to better results. Hi, excuse me. I'm looking for some flower seeds.
Sure. What kind of flowers do you want to grow?
I want to grow flowers on my balcony, something easy to take care of.
That's a good idea. Do you want flowers that grow upward?
Yes, that sounds nice. I like flowers that can climb a wall.
In that case, morning glory is a good choice. It grows fast and climbs well.
That sounds perfect. Does it need a lot of sunlight?
Yes, it likes sunlight. Place it where it can get sun in the morning.
How about watering? I'm still new to planting.
Water the seeds every day at first, but don't make the soil too wet.
I see. How long does it take to grow?
You'll see small leaves in about 1 week. After that, it grows quickly.
That's exciting. Do I need a pot or a support?
Yes, use a pot with good drainage and add a small frame for the plant to climb.
Great. I'll take these seeds then.
Good choice. Your balcony will look beautiful soon.
Thank you for the advice. I'm really looking forward to planting them. Oh, thank you for holding the door. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. After you, Sarah.
Thanks, John. I was carrying too many things.
I noticed that. It's no problem at all.
People don't always do this anymore. I really appreciate it.
I think small actions matter. They make the day a little nicer.
I agree. It made me smile.
Glad to hear that. Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, John. Thanks again. Oh no, what happened? I think the elevator stopped. Yeah, it feels strange. The lights are still on, though. That's true, but it's not moving. Don't panic, Lisa. Let's press the emergency button. Okay, I hope someone answers. Hello, this is building support. What seems to be the problem? The elevator stopped between floors. We're inside right now. All right, please stay calm and don't force the doors. Okay, we'll stay inside. Is help on the way? Yes, a technician is coming. It should take about 10 minutes. That's good to hear. I was starting to feel nervous. I understand. Just take a deep breath. Thanks, Mark. Talking helps a lot. No problem. We'll be out soon.
Lisa, I hear some noise outside and I think help has arrived.
Yes, I hear voices too.
That must be the technician.
Hello, can you hear us? This is the maintenance team.
Yes, we can hear you. We're inside the elevator.
All right, sir. Please stay still and follow our instructions.
Okay, we're ready.
We're opening the door slowly now. Please don't move yet.
All right, I'm staying right here.
Okay, the door's open. Step out carefully, Lisa.
I'm stepping out now.
Take your time. The floor might feel a little uneven.
I'm out. That was scary.
You did great.
You're safe now.
Thank you so much. I'm really relieved.
No problem at all. This kind of thing happens sometimes. I'm just glad it's over. I think I'll take the stairs next time.
Same here. Fresh air sounds good right now.
Oh no, what's happening right now?
Is this an earthquake?
Yes, Tom, I think it is. It feels like a real one.
That's really scary. What should we do now, Anna?
Stay calm and don't panic. Let's move under the table together.
Okay, I'm a bit scared. I'm coming with you right now.
Hold on to the table legs tightly and please stay away from the windows.
All right, I'm holding on. My heart is beating so fast right now.
I know it's frightening. Just take slow, deep breaths.
It feels a little weaker now.
I think the shaking is stopping.
Yes, the shaking is slowing down.
Let's wait here for a moment.
Okay, let's not rush. Is everyone outside safe now?
I think they are.
We should go outside carefully after this.
All right, let's move slowly. We should use the stairs, not the elevator.
Good idea, Tom.
Safety always comes first.
I'm really glad you were here with me. That helps me stay calm.
Anytime, Tom. We got through this together safely.
Hi, David. How are you feeling today? I heard you were admitted to the hospital yesterday.
Hi, Emma. I'm feeling a bit better than yesterday. Thank you for coming.
I was worried when I heard the news. The doctor said you need to rest, right?
Yes, that's right. They told me to take it easy and avoid stress.
I'm glad you're getting good care here. The hospital staff seem very kind.
They really are. They check on me often and explain everything clearly.
That's good to hear. Did the treatment go well this morning?
Yes, it did. It was uncomfortable, but it helped.
I brought you some fruit and a book. I thought it might make your stay nicer.
That's very thoughtful of you, Emma. I really appreciate it.
You don't need to rush back to work. Your health is more important right now.
You're right. I need to focus on getting better first.
Exactly. Take this time to rest and recover.
Thanks for the encouragement. It really means a lot to me.
You're not alone in this. We're all wishing you a fast recovery.
Thank you, Emra. I hope I can go home soon.
I'm sure you will. I'll come visit you again soon. Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I have a 10:30 appointment with Dr. Martinez.
Perfect. Can I see your insurance card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Is this your first visit here?
No, I came here last year.
Have you filled out the medical history form?
Yes, I completed it online yesterday.
Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly.
Thank you.
Hi, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
Not so great. I've had a sore throat for 3 days.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache and I feel very tired.
Have you had a fever?
Yes, yesterday it was 101 degrees.
Let me take a look. Open your mouth and say ah. Your throat is red and swollen. You have a throat infection.
Is it serious?
No, you need antibiotics for 7 days, twice a day.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, take it after meals and drink plenty of water.
Can I go to work?
I recommend resting for 2 or 3 days.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a savings account.
Do you have an account with us already?
No, this is my first one.
May I see 2 forms of ID, please?
Sure, here are my driver's license and passport.
Thank you. We have a basic and a high-yield savings account.
What's the difference?
The high-yield account needs a $1,000 minimum balance.
I'll choose the high-yield account.
How much would you like to deposit today?
$2,000 by check.
Are you interested in online banking?
Yes, I am.
Great. Here's your account information.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello, you must be here for the apartment viewing.
Yes, I'm Mark. We spoke on the phone yesterday.
Nice to meet you. Come on in.
Wow, it's bigger than I expected.
It's 850 square feet with 2 bedrooms.
Does the kitchen include appliances?
Yes, stove, fridge, and dishwasher are included.
Is there laundry?
Yes, in the basement.
Does the rent include utilities?
Water and trash are included.
How much is the rent?
$1,200 per month.
When can I move in?
Starting next week.
Great. I'd like to apply.
I'll email you the application form today.
Good evening. How many people?
Just 2, please.
Booth or table?
A booth, please.
Can I get you something to drink?
White wine for me, water with lemon for her.
What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is very popular.
I'll have the salmon medium. And for you?
I'll take the vegetable pasta.
Would you like an appetizer?
Yes, bruschetta to share.
Everything looks great. Would you like dessert?
Yes, 1 lava cake to share.
And the check, please.
Of course. Thank you